Hi folks, we are going to extend our Google Sites learning and create a new website this week. You can see I chose a topic that I know well, Cash and Carter. I'm going to let you choose your topic that you want. I like that. I liked having the variety to look at. So I have a basic homepage here. I chose a theme. I titled it. Make sure you're doing your title up here at the top, where this would be like the same thing as Untitled document. I chose a very basic layout, and I'm going to add another page. So if you remember, I click on pages over here on the right. If I wanted to, I could choose the three-dot menu option. I could duplicate, look at the properties, or add a sub-page here. I'm going to just go down to the bottom, click on the plus sign. It brings me up a new page. I'm going to name this page Carter. It's done. It'll automatically create a page with the heading Carter, and it automatically creates a link up here at the top right-hand corner for Carter as well. I'm going to go to Insert, and I'm going to insert a layout, and I'm going to actually delete this image placeholder here, and I'm going to use an image carousel. So that's one of the things we're going to talk about this week. So image carousel. So I'm underneath Insert, Image Carousel. It brings up this dialog box. I choose the plus sign. I'm going to choose Select Image because I'm getting mine from the Google Drive. And I created a folder here called Cash and Carter. And it has a whole slew of images that I can choose from. So I'm doing a page on Carter, so I will choose Carter. I'm going to select whatever pictures I want here. So you can see that I can select multiple pictures. And down in the bottom left-hand corner, it tells me how many pictures I have selected. Once I'm done selecting, then I can choose Insert. It's going to show me my images. If I wanted to move them around or put them in different order, this would be my opportunity to do so. Then once my insert is available, my pictures are popping up there, then I can go ahead and choose Insert. So you see that whenever that gets added, and I know the pictures are not popping up yet, but down at the bottom, you can actually see I have 5 little dots of the images. And so whenever I preview this, you'll see here I have my 5 dots. Whenever I hover over top of the picture, I get arrows that allow me to scan through my images. Once I'm done, I can choose this X to go back. And I can move this around here, so you can see I can adjust where it's at so that now that my text is right beside it. And I can insert another page. And I'm going to choose the plus sign. I'm going to name this one Cash. And on this one, I'm going to insert the YouTube link. Now, Cash isn't necessarily a YouTube thing, but he looks at trucks and cars all the time. And so I can choose my link, hit select, and then it actually adds an image of that YouTube. So those are your 2 new things that you need to include in your pages this week: YouTube link and an image carousel. Any questions? Make sure you're contacting me.